How you doing, backers? Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make shortbread. Right, so what you need to make shortbread is 75 grams of flour, a pinch of salt which is already mixed in the flour, 50 grams of butter and 25 grams of sugar. Okay, so first thing I do, the butter's already in there, so first thing I do is sieve in the flour and the salt. Now remember, this is the sieving is very important, because remember you're getting, what the sieve does is it gets rid of, it stops the evils from getting into your mixture and any lumps or impurities. So sieving is very important. Okay, and also add the sugar. And start mixing. Now, the problem with this type of dough is that there isn't really any liquid in there, so it can be quite difficult to paste together, so and also roll out. So so you've got to be really careful. So it also takes a little bit of time for it to consist, and it's difficult to make it consist as well. So it's pretty hard work. And remember to use the spatula backwards so that none of it will stick. Okay, so you mix until you have this consistency. Right, so okay, get it onto floured surface of the mixture when it's pasted. Okay, it is a little bit crumbly. It does have a very annoying tendency to do that to the mixture for shortbread. Okay. So what you need to do is flour a rolling pin, because otherwise the dough will stick to the pin if you don't. Right, okay, so roll it out very carefully, because remember it does have an annoying tendency of breaking up and crumbling, because there's no liquid within the ingredient. So okay, you're round about 2 centimeters. Now some people cut them out into lines, but what I'm going to do is use cutters, a circular cutter. So okay, so I'm going to cut it out like so, and put it onto the ready greased baking tray like so. Right, do remember that they do have an annoying tendency to crumble. Okay, so if you have to keep it in your fingers, be very careful how you handle it. So what I'm doing now is pricking them a little bit with holes with a fork. Now traditionally they are sprinkled with sugar after they are baked, but what I'm going to do is sprinkle them with sugar before I put them into the oven to bake. That way the sugar will caramelize, and caramelized sugar tastes really great. Right, so it's time to bake these bad boys. What you want to do is leave them to bake for around about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so these are some I made earlier. Okay, so I hope you've liked this video. Okay, and please suggest in the comments what I should cook or make next for the video. Okay, also don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification, and therefore you'll become a backer. And also please drop a like on this video and share the video with some of your friends. And remember, if you're learning to cook, or you're autistic, or both, do remember that I've got your back.